Hi everyone, I've spent time using both the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro. These two phones came out just a few months apart in August and November 2024. Both have new features and strong designs, but each is special in its own way. In this video, I will share what I liked and didn't like about each phone. I will talk about their cameras, screens, speed, and battery life, so you can decide which one might be better for you. Check the description for Amazon links where you can find the latest prices. Let's get started. Having used both the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro, I noticed some clear differences in their body design and feel. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is slightly smaller and a bit thicker, measuring 162.8 by 76.6 by 8.5 millimeters, while the Mate 70 Pro is bigger but thinner at 164.6 by 79.5 by 8.2 millimeters. Both phones weigh the same, around 221 grams, giving them a solid, premium feel in hand. The Pixel has a glass front and back with a sturdy aluminium frame, making it feel sleek and durable. The Mate 70 Pro also has a glass front and a strong aluminium alloy frame, but feels a bit more robust, partly due to its better water resistance and durability features. Overall, the Pixel feels a bit more compact and refined, while the Mate feels tougher and slightly larger. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Huawei Mate 70 Pro both feature large LTPO OLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has a 6.8-inch screen with a higher resolution of 1344 by 2992 pixels, resulting in a sharper pixel density of approximately 486 ppi, compared to the Mate 70 Pro's 6.9-inch panel with 1316 by 2832 pixels and around 453 ppi. In terms of brightness, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a peak brightness of 3000 nits and 2000 nits HBM, surpassing the Mate 70 Pro's 2500 nits peak brightness. The Pixel uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for protection, while Huawei employs its Kunlun Glass 2. The Mate 70 Pro boasts about an 89.7% screen-to-body ratio, highlighting its minimal bezels. Both displays support rich color and HDR, though the Mate emphasizes 1 billion colors. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a powerful performance with its Google Tensor G4 chip built on a 4nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU running up to 3.1 GHz and a Mali G715 MC7 GPU, ensuring smooth multitasking and advanced AI capabilities. It runs Android 14 with guaranteed upgrades up to Android 15 and an impressive 7 years of OS support, providing long-term software reliability. In contrast, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro is equipped with the Kirin 9020 chipset, which varies by edition, offering an octa-core CPU clocked up to 2.5 GHz and a Maloon Naum 20 GPU. It runs HarmonyOS 4.3, Huawei's proprietary system, which may limit app compatibility outside its ecosystem. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL leads in raw performance and software longevity, while the Mate 70 Pro emphasizes a unique OS experience. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Huawei Mate 70 Pro both lack a card slot, meaning expandable storage is not available on either device. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers UFS 3.1 storage technology, which provides fast read and write speeds, and comes in 4 storage options: 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. In contrast, the Mate 70 Pro offers 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, but does not specify the storage type. Regarding memory, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with 16 GB of RAM across all models, providing ample multitasking capability. The Mate 70 Pro, meanwhile, includes 12 gigabytes of RAM on all variants, which is still substantial but slightly less than the Pixel. Overall, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers more RAM and an additional storage option at 128 gigabytes. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Huawei Mate 70 Pro both feature advanced triple camera setups with notable strengths. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a 50MP wide sensor with dual pixel PDAF and optical image stabilization, OIS, complemented by a 48MP periscope lens providing 5x zoom and OIS, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera with a 123 degrees field of view. It supports high-resolution video recording up to 8K and includes laser autofocus and Ultra HDR for enhanced image quality. In contrast, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro has a 50MP wide sensor with variable aperture and OIS, a 48MP periscope lens with 3.5x zoom and OIS, and a 40MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree angle. It records video up to 4K with gyro EIS stabilization and HDR support. Overall, the Pixel excels in zoom capability, ultra-wide field of view, and higher video resolution, while the Mate 70 Pro offers variable aperture for improved low-light performance and advanced stabilization features. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 42-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with PDAF autofocus, allowing for sharper and more detailed selfies. It supports 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS, enhancing video smoothness and clarity. The camera also includes HDR and panorama modes for versatile shooting options. In contrast, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro offers a 13-megapixel ultra-wide front camera, accompanied by a ToF 3D sensor, which improves depth sensing and biometric accuracy. It supports 4K and 1080p video recording, though the maximum frame rate for 4K is unspecified. Both phones provide HDR and panorama features, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL's higher resolution and autofocus give it an edge in image quality and video performance. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 5060 mAh Li-ion battery with 37 watts wired charging, capable of reaching 70% in 30 minutes. It supports 23 watts wireless charging via the Pixel stand, 12 watts Qi wireless charging, and includes reverse wireless charging. Additionally, it offers bypass charging with an 80% limit option to help preserve battery health. In contrast, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro is equipped with a larger 5500 mAh Li-ion battery and supports significantly faster charging speeds. It offers 100 watts wired charging, 80 watts wireless charging, and 20 watts reverse wireless charging. The Mate 70 Pro also includes 18 watts reverse wired charging, enabling it to power other devices efficiently. Overall, the Mate 70 Pro provides superior battery capacity and faster charging capabilities compared to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. After spending time with both the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Huawei Mate 70 Pro, I can say each phone has its strong points. The Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out with its clean software experience, excellent camera quality, and smooth performance. On the other hand, the Mate 70 Pro impresses with its stunning display, powerful hardware, and long-lasting battery life. Both devices offer great features. So it really comes down to what matters most to you. Check out the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices, and make your choice based on your personal needs.